If you're familiar with the BeReal app, then you already know that the app takes two simultaneous photos from your front and rear camera. However, some users have managed to find a trick to take two completely different pictures of themselves from each camera. So how do you do this? Let's find out. First, click on the notification from BeReal. The trick here is knowing how the two images are combined together as a post. Although it is known that both front and rear camera are captured simultaneously, there is actually a gap in between. The images are processed in between each capture, therefore there is a certain amount of time to reframe your shot. To take two different pictures, keeping the gap in mind, frame your shot and then click the shutter, and then immediately turning your camera so you can take another shot. Well, there you have it. I hope you have found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel.